The 2021 Chevy Equinox key fob uses a CR232 battery, typically lasting 1 to 2 years. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or pry tool and a new CR232 battery. First, locate the release button on the side of the fob. Press the button and gently pry the two halves apart, being careful not to damage the internal components. Remove the old battery, noting its orientation with the positive side up. Insert the new battery with the positive side up. Snap the case back together and test the fob by pressing the lock-unlock buttons. If remote start doesn't work, reprogram via the vehicle's infotainment system under Settings, Vehicle, Remote Lock, Unlock, Start, Replace Battery. Always work in a static-free environment to prevent electronic damage during battery replacement. Recycle the old battery responsibly at electronics stores to protect the environment. If the fob doesn't work after replacement, it might indicate a deeper issue requiring professional help. Using genuine or compatible batteries is important for maintaining performance and warranty. A key trend is moving towards maintenance-free designs with longer-lasting batteries or inductive charging. By 2026 to 2027, Chevy might introduce fobs with solar charging or Bluetooth-based battery monitoring, reducing the need for replacements.